Hey, good evening. It is 11 p.m. Atlanta, Georgia time. I've been reading a lot of information on Skype here, or seeing a lot of comments on Skype today about outbound emails. So I thought I would just create a message to send out for my midnight email and let you see how we'll go through the process of selecting an email. And I know we've talked about domains and all that sort of stuff, and like I say, the domain I think has to age a little bit. You can use it, I think, the first day, and then it's no good for the next 30 days. And so you got to put them in a list. But Gmail tends to work pretty good, and I'll show you how I use that and how it tends to work for me. So, okay. From the dashboard, we're going in. This is get response also, since that's what I have. We're going to create a newsletter. And when we create a newsletter, we'll go to the previous version of the editor. I'm going to try to make this fast too. Start with a blank template. And here is the blank template. And the next thing we typically do is go to our swipe email pages. So I know you've already seen that. If you've seen the videos, you know where this is, and you should have it saved so you can actually get to it. But this is the swipe email URL. This has a number on the end, 36336, I think. But it comes up with these emails, and you can go through them, select them randomly, and pick out one that you think you might click on yourself. And I like these short ones like this. You know, the shorter the better for me. But one of the things that is key in this whole thing is checking this subject line. I'm going to do a Control C on this, and I'm going to go over to the email tester. Let's see, do I have that up? Yeah, here's the email tester, and all of these things are in our Facebook page for the mail masters. So go in there and look up the important links and things to do first, and Sherry's done a really good job of keeping that. What I was going to show you is basically a long email, a long subject line like this is very difficult to get through the email, the subject line tester. See, we've got three things wrong with this. The percent of capital letters, you got way too many. They don't like that. Repeating capital letters, they don't like all of these big letters, and the number of characters is just too long. And the word system, they don't like the word system in here. So following Jeremy's lead, he likes short, simple emails. So I have used this before, hi there, and I'm going to put there, hi there, it's me again. Let's try that and see what it'll do. Test now. Oop, it didn't like that. Let's see what it didn't like about that. Change the first word, and hi. Didn't like hi. Average phrase. It's just pretty typical phrase there. So let's try one that says, check this out and see what it does. Click and wait. Okay, we don't have any reds, we got some yellows, but the number of characters can be longer, so it's saying it could be a longer email subject line, so that's not a real bad thing. Occurrences, consider different words for this. and bad, consider different words. So basically, let's just say check our new link. Okay, let's try that. It's probably not going to like that either. But this could take all day. Average words. It define your words. It doesn't like our. Check new link. Let's try that. So it shows you that you can just play around with these subject lines. Okay, number of characters, it can be longer, but we don't. I like short ones. So let's go with that. Check this link, and I'll check new link. And so we're going to take that, put it over in our subject line here. And what I learned from Sherry on this too is, if you have a Word document, you can go down and have your some emails already put in here that you want to just take and click, copy and paste, and throw it into the document, and it'll save you a lot of time from having to search. When you got some time, just go through and do this. Now, I did this, and the subject, what we said we're going to use is check new link, and that's the subject. So basically, I took a letter, put it in here, and made it short. Oh, let's see, go down. I don't have Word on my computer, so okay, here we go. Okay, copy and paste it, and then we're going to throw it into the plain text version of this, and say check this new link. And I've created some emails. We can click on this is the from email, and what I found is that if you use Gmail and you have a long, like JUpChurch7 is a pretty long username, and I'm beginning to think the longer the better, but I've created several of these using Gmail, and I've been pretty successful with getting inboxed with Gmail, so I'm going to keep doing it. But you can put JUP with a dot, CHURCH7 at Gmail, then you can change the location of the dot, and it still treats it as the Gmail address, but it changes it to a different one. So you can see I've used Jerry and Diane, I've used admin, I've used support. Actually, I hadn't used all of these yet because I've just got on to get response late last week. So anyway, so let's go with this JUP.CHURCH. Okay, we got the new link. We've got our plain text email here. And I always sign it with Jerry and Diane at enjoyfreedom.com, so they can get back to me if they want to. I'm going to copy this and put it into the HTML version. And right here, oh, you notice one thing is this particular email does not have the link. So let me go back over to the swipe and find one of these that has my link in it. Here we go, Rotator. Okay, and I've already showed you, I already created an email showing you the Rotator, but this is the Rotator link, and as of today I added 3 more links to my Rotator, so I've got it set up to go to 6 different locations. 3 of them I go into my personal page, 3 of my personal pages first with a pop-up to C4C pages, click for cache pages, and then I've got 3 more that I set up today that go into the click for cache first, and then it pops up on my personal pages, personal business pages. So because what I noticed was that the number of clicks I was getting on the clicks for cache went down dramatically when I put that as a second option in the series. So what I'm testing tonight and tomorrow will be to put the clicks for cash back as the first one, and then with a pop-up to my page if they don't like clicking on click for cash. So okay, so we got my link here, my Rotator link, and we'll go back over to the email, and we're going to click right here. Now I know Sherry takes all of these out. She doesn't like these, but I'm going to just leave it like it is just for this test. Click on here, get my Rotator link, and I always do this target too. I'll take this target to open in a new window so they don't lose the page that I'm on, that they're on when they click. So this will click to a new window, and I kind of like having multiple links in there too. I think Sherry likes to go with the one link, but here we go. Click open in a new window, insert. Okay, so I've got two links in here, got everything set up, and we are ready to run a test. So let's go with the next step. Gosh, we're already 11 minutes into this, so I may put it on pause while I get my email. So what I'm going to do is send it to I added another test email, test lead, or seed lead, I guess you would call it. The Yahoo, the Gmail, the AOL, and the Hotmail, and I also added my Comcast just to see if I could get some Comcast or a inbox into a GI type lead email box. So okay, so I'm going to send this. I'll go to the next step. And delivery time, we're going to do this immediately. Let's get the Twitter and the Facebook off of this like they told us to do. We don't want to publish an RSS, and we're going to publish that email. And I'm going to put it on pause until they come in. Okay, enough time has passed. I should have these emails in. Oh, look at this. Okay, I use the Windows Windows Live Mail, so I've got a lot of emails set up here in this Windows Live Mail, so especially all my seed emails. But looking at what has come in, let's see, my seed mail account, Yahoo. Okay, look at that. There is a Yahoo. Oh, click new link. That came into my inbox. Let's go with Outlook. Okay, Outlook did not come in, and it did not come into the junk mail. And Outlook, I've noticed, has been really slow responding anyway. So look at there, it's in the AOL. And let's see, Gmail. Look here, Gmail. It's in the Gmail. So right now, it's already in 3 out of the 5 that I send out, or 3 out of the 4. It will probably come in as a spam to Outlook, but that doesn't really matter. And just to let you know, I have never had one from Get Response go into a GI or a paid type email account. So, you know, it might be better to don't worry about those. Okay, so here we go. We got 3 out of 4 in here. So let's go back into my newsletters. And we're going to take this baby right here, click new link, we're going to reuse it. And here we go, set up in there all nice and pretty and clean. I'm going to take this message tracking off of it. Next step is to get ready to go to select my, okay, I'm going to send it to myself again. All of my leads. I went in today, and all the leads that had been dropped out, I was down to about 9,800. Actually, today I did get all of the rest of my leads uploaded into Gmail, into Get Response, and I only had like, gosh, 9,700, something like that. So I went in and added a lot more emails into this account so I could get it up to 99. And I also have increased my, upgraded my service. So I have ordered my other leads from sharing. I've gotten those. I've already paid for my upgrade. So I've already started uploading the new leads into GetResponse. Started with about 980 or something like that. So right now I got 9970. My next step is to go ahead and send those. And my delivery time, I like to send it out about 11:45 or somewhere in that neighborhood. So here we go. We got 6/1, 11:14 p.m., which is what it is now. I'm going to change that to 11:35, 11:43, 11:47. 11:53. That's just before midnight. Okay. And they are ready to go. I'm going to take it off Twitter. I am going to take it off of Facebook and publish it. Publish. Okay. It is ready to go. Congratulations. Your message has been sent according to the settings. And all I got to do is wait till midnight and it will go out. So that's it. I hope this helps you get some testing in on your emailing and your sending email accounts. So in fact, I haven't even tried it. I bought 10 new domains. I have not tried it with any of my domains because I think all the new domains typically have to wait about 30 days before they're any good. So that's it for tonight. It is 17 minutes into this video, so I hope it helps. Let me know.